All right, y'all, we back at it. We done did it again. Another Let's Go TV production. Yes, we have our own snack bar right here in this house for the movies. And also right here is where we're gonna put all the drinks and liquor. Y'all give us a call, 682-239-1470. Remember, I am the plug, and you are the man with Let's Go TV. We got cable on deck, too. 3,434 channels, 90,000 movies, and 2,000 TV shows, all going back to season 1, episode 1. Suffer pain now, enjoy relaxation later with Let's Go TV. We'll come to your house, too, as you can see. Commercial, residential, business, it don't matter. We do it all. Straight custom. Built the thing, lit it the thing, create the thing. Let's go. That's how you do that. Tomorrow, you know I'm gonna finish up the humongous 86 TV. Humongous. That's how I look. That's how I go. Well, let's go. Yeah. Let's go.